Hello guys, so if you are yet to receive your pulse into your BYBIT right here, this particular video might be of help for you right here, because I'm going to be explaining to you how you can currently achieve this at this particular moment. So we all know that pulse is actually listing today, which is the 16 kind of. I think the trading is coming between 16 to 18 or so. So if I'm actually missing that particular information, please go straight to the comment section and drop the valid information right here, so we can all benefit and learn together right now. So currently, the part has been transferred to many people, but many people are currently not see theirs right here, including myself right here. So, but I've seen the one I sent to my BYBIT already, but the one I sent to my BYBIT, it hasn't actually comes up right here. So then there's this particular update that actually came up from the BYBIT announcement. They actually announced it. So let's go into Telegram and let's see. So you can see this is the BYBIT account, the verified one right here, and we are going to read up this particular stuff right. It said Paws updates, airdrop update right here. So Paws has been successfully airdropped to 749,952 users, and you can check your account right here. So if you actually see, they actually sent to a lot of people already, but I think this is like, let's say like 75% of people that actually registered or claim their airdrop to their BYBIT right here. So many other people have actually not gotten theirs right here. So you can click on this particular, so you can see if you are eligible to claim and you have not received right here, please check the Paws community on how you can claim on exchange. So an exchange is actually going to be opening on the day of listing, which is kind of going to be today right here. So I'm going to practicalize this for us, and let's see if we can currently achieve this right now. So if you go to the account right here, you can see there is currently not really much information on this right here, and what I can see, just when you connect your account to your Phantom wallet right here, the only thing you can actually do is to change the withdrawal address that you can see. So change withdrawal method right here. So far I did not receive it to that, so I'm going to be changing the withdrawal method. Then I'm going to click on exist right here. So after clicking on exist, and this is actually going to, I'm going to connect again, right? Let me just click on connect again. Okay, so I'm connecting right here again, and this is still currently here. So now I cannot change my account right here. It cannot be changed right here. So I think when the listing actually comes out, they are going to provide the information for us to check. So let's just check something again. Let me click on it again, and let's see Paws Telegram app. No, so you see the same thing. So currently this particular option is currently not showing at this particular moment. So I believe by the time they are going to be doing the listing, immediately it comes, so we can able to go. But this is actually going to be taking some of our charges for this to actually work right here. So I'm going to be making more updates. And what is the price prediction for this particular project? If you have a price prediction right here, just go straight to the comment section, drop it, and let's see if you are going to be seeing something tangible to learn from it. Thanks so much for watching, and do well to have an amazing day ahead. See you.